Yep, born. And hopefully by the time I finish all 4 of these, I'll have everything packed up from the office. When Maria gets here, she'll move all those to the kitchen. And then I can get the resin desk packed up. Right now, it's break time, so for 15 minutes, I'm gonna go put my feet up in bed. Empty boxes. Oh, gotta take that down while I'm in bed, take it apart so I can box it up. Oh, I gotta find a big enough box for that one. But in the meantime, 1.5 drawers is gone. Glad I started collecting boxes long ago. Well, I think I'm doing pretty good. Little bit at a time, 22 more days. So please feel free to go purchase a stone. You know you have to get ready for Christmas and then Valentine's Day. So go ahead and purchase a stone. Let me wrap it up. Help me get closer to that still. I still need about $500, including gas. Pay the packer, pay the unpacker. A little bit for gas. Money for a hotel, hopefully for 2 nights. I don't want Treva to get too exhausted driving 933 miles. I gotta tell you, I'm excited. Say hello. Say thank you for being so good to us. Magic, say hello. Say hello. Yes, that's my pretty boy. That's my pretty boy. Send energy. Send toddler energy. Yep. I don't know how I'm gonna pack that. I'll figure something out. Maybe I'll just put duct tape. No, you know what? Maybe I'll just put a towel behind it and then tape the towel down so the beads don't fall out the back. Put a piece of cardboard on top and then tape that down. See, there you go. Thanks, guys, for giving me such wonderful ideas. You guys are so good to me. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, that one Ryan gave me too. The water dish, the water fountain. Ryan gave me that one.